Discover the Custom Pool Pros difference, where your dream backyard becomes a reality. Founded by a visionary in the building industry, he has built a foundation and team with passion, creativity, and excellence. With 20-plus years of experience and numerous industry awards, we are actual pool builders, unlike other companies that take your order and use only subcontractors. The Custom Pool Pros team has established themselves as trusted leaders in crafting exceptional pools and backyard designs. Custom Pool Pros are not only masters of the craft, but also problem solvers and creative thinkers, often taking challenging projects other companies wouldn't touch and curating a stunning outdoor retreats. We believe every project is more than just a place to swim. It's a lifestyle enhancer, a place to enjoy with friends and family for years to come. Our team is dedicated to delivering unparalleled craftsmanship and innovative design services, which include a wide range of offerings like unique design, specialized pool features like sun shelves, as well as outdoor enhancements, including patios, kitchens, fire pits, waterfalls, lighting features, and more. Custom Pool Pros specializes in building gunite pools, the standard for luxury and durability, as well as installing liner and fiberglass pools. See what our customers have to say. How was your experience building a pool with Custom Pool Pros?
In 6 weeks they were done, which was fantastic. The whole process was very quick, transparent in the pricing, and the quality product was amazing, and we love our pool.
View more testimonials on our website at custompoolpros.com/testimonials. Custom Pool Pros is more than just pools. Custom Pool Pros is one-stop shopping for all your backyard needs, from landscaping to lighting. With numerous backyard options, Custom Pool Pros will tailor your vision. Entertain around your outdoor kitchen or outdoor bar. Pick and choose pool features that exceed your expectations at every age. Slides, grottos, swim-up bars, no idea is unattainable. The team at Custom Pool Pros makes the process hassle-free. We will start with a survey and deliver an oasis. Permits, designs, build, Custom Pool Pros handles it all. Read through the phases and steps to better understand the flow of projects at Custom Pool Pros. With a lifetime structural warranty on our gunite concrete pools, you can have complete peace of mind knowing your pool is built to last. At Custom Pool Pros, we're not just building pools. We're crafting lasting backyard experiences engineered to perfection. We are actual pool builders, unlike other companies that take your order and use only subcontractors. Our in-house team will start your project most times within 1 week of your permit being approved. Get on this season's schedule today.